Good morning, everyone. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 2nd of February. It's NFP Friday today, and the question is whether the US dollar is going to get some support at last. The US employment report is due out today. Non-farm payrolls are expected to be at 180k versus previous reading of 146k. Unemployment rate to remain unchanged at 4.1%. And average earnings to tick up to plus 2.6% year-on-year versus previous plus 2.5%. Please pay attention to all three elements of the employment report, as the market may react to any of the three, especially average earnings, despite the undisputed fact that the non-farm payrolls figure is the star of the day. Should the actual data meet the forecast, the US dollar should strengthen, as the forecasted data are rather favorable for the US dollar. However, given the last few days' US dollar weakness, the reaction may be muted somewhat. Also, note that despite US Finance Minister Mnuchin stating that the Davos comment about a weak dollar did not aim at the US dollar exchange rates, the low US dollar may prove to be accommodating for the US economy currently. The euro dollar moved in a sideways manner yesterday with some bullish pressures, just breaking the 1.2495 resistance line, now turned to support. We expect the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner. However, we see the case for the pair to experience bearish pressures, as the greenback may strengthen due to today's employment report. Should the pair come under buying interest, we could see it reaching or even breaking the 1.26 resistance level. On the other hand, should it come under selling interest, we expect it to break the 1.2495 support level and maybe even breaching the 1.2355 support level. On other news, Bitcoin dropped below late November levels. Bitcoin dropped yesterday beyond the late November levels when the rally had started. Key reason for the drop could be the Indian government's express intention to ban cryptocurrency trading altogether. Also, another reason could be that Facebook could ban all advertisements promoting cryptocurrencies. On the crypto futures front, media reports suggest that CME takes a cautious stand towards introducing new cryptocurrencies after 1.5 months of Bitcoin trading. Bitcoin's downward trend seems to be followed by most cryptocurrencies, confirming its role as a trendsetter in the market. We stand by our view that as regulatory authorities intensify their efforts to regulate cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's value will continue to drop and that the bears will continue to have the upper hand in the market in the long run. Bitcoin dropped yesterday, breaking the 8,920 support level, now turned to the resistance, totally erasing the profits it had posted until the 18th of December. We see the bears to continue to have the upper hand on the Bitcoin market in the long run, and the price to drop even further. Should the cryptocurrency find fresh buying orders, it may stabilize in the short term and even break the 8,920 resistance level. Should, on the other hand, the selling process continue, Bitcoin could break the 7,407 support line and hover below it in the short term. As for today's other economic highlights, during the European morning we get UK's market CIPS construction PMI. Later on, as analyzed before, the US employment report is to be released. As for today's speakers, please note that ECB board member Benoit Cor, France Central Bank's Governor Villeroy, Ireland Central Bank's head Lane, Dallas Fed President Kaplan, and San Francisco Fed President Williams speak today. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, also go us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.